See it? See this ingenious move by Michael Mion? Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, that's so annoying. Yeah, it's so fun.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Do you hear that?
Yeah, what are those sounds?
That was like a fucking woman, dude. Oh shit, I see a bird.
Cat. Oh, what is that? What the hell is that? Dude, I'm gonna shoot it. Ben, look.
What is that, dude?
He's climbing the tree!
Where the fuck is Kelvin, dude? Look on the map. Where the fuck is he? Where did he go?
It's a good question. Where is he going?
Yeah, I went to Islamabad. What the fuck is Kelvin? He's doing the crip walk, dude.
What is he doing? Oh my god.
Yo, it's hump day.
What I need you to do is tag 3 big dick ass.
Oh my god, dude.
Never come again.
Oh, he's running to his friend. No, Kelvin! what? He's pointing at him.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, fire!
I missed.
Hey! Look at that! Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Is that a spine? What
yeah. And then the skull with the eye on it.
The eyeballs, dude. Oh.
Dude.
Oh my god, this is a body? What the flip?
This is gonna knock Kelvin.
91.
What's Kelvin doing? Oh my god!
Or just shifted it.
Yeah, he just shifted the entire movement of the tree. What the hell? You just have to get me, huh?
Oh.
Oh my god!
It's like in the air.
Oh, nice!
Oh, you can throw a spear as well. That's dope.
Yeah, but you really want to waste that duct tape? Oh.
It's gone just like that.
Yeah, it went through the thing.
Abomination, get back here, dude.
Oh my god, what? Jesus Christ.
Oh my
god.
There's a KKK member.
Yeah,
take a
turn
pic,
to me.
I see.
Turn to me. Yeah, sleep.
Alright, I'm laughing. Oh, what was that?
What?
Not allowed to sleep. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
Bad, right?
Sleep, please, Michael. Thank God.
There we go, Jesus
Oh.
Christ.
Thank
Oh, it's spring.
Bismillah.
It's spring now.
Or Pete.
This is
This is Sugar 5-0.
We have multiple leagues.
Dark 7.
This is all 5 over.
It means I can't say, that much. And, I dare you to keep that in the video, Michael.
I'm keeping that in the video. We're gonna.
I'm a fucking Nazi.
Say that again. Say that again.
Oh,
Say it again.
My
Say
bad,
it again.
dog.
Say it again.
Where's got you clip?
Yeah, say it again. Dude.
It's your mouth, you little.
Don't do that. Dude, don't do that. Stop it. I need
Oh, Slinky!
Oh, there he is.
Slinky!
Ben!
Oh, Not virus. Moving in.
Wow.
Moving in.
Oh! I set him on fire. Torch gaming.
Torch gaming. Up, Michael.
Shut your mouth. Look at him. He's on fire again. Oh, I got him!
Oh,
Hey,
nice.
nice.
What a f***ing asshole. Oh, what the f***?
What?
He just took off 5 armor from that.
What?
Or, I mean, he took off 1 armor, but I like saying 5. Still.
Oh, maybe we should stumble across that camp again, Ben.
I don't know, we just gotta get to that stream, and then I know the way from there.
I'm interested.
It's the same loot everything. Yeah, the men are here.
The man.
Oh my god!
What?
dude.
You know,
What the
that
hell?
Music.
What the?
They're like the
Yeah, that is the vibe.
the
dude.
creatures.
Oh,
They're different creatures!
Oh, can we not do that? Can we fucking not do
They're
that?
leveled up. They're
Oh.
leveled
Why
up.
the 7-foot cave dwellers? Why the 7-foot cave dwellers in the
Oh, shit, yeah, dude.
outside? It's fingers! 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 Fingers!
Oh my god!
No, I'm terrified. Fuck off. I don't want to be a fucking run. Fucking run.
Fucking run.
Guys are swinging around. There we go. Sapping him.
You're sticking him. You get Ariel, good one. Good one. We're too much. Can't handle the double cheeks, huh?
Oh god, can't handle it. Right.
Is that a fucker, exactly.
What the hell, bro?
My way with that hot little body, you
I
know?
don't like this ambience, dude. Ready?
Don't be pussy, dude. Come on.
Here we go.
Oh, what
What
the
is
fuck is that noise? Or I just died of natural causes, eh?
Oh my god! Creatures!
Oh, what the fuck? I see him.
Oh!
Going on fire!
Oh!
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I got a better idea. I got a better idea. Men!
Instant
Oh my
quiet.
god.
Let me just slap him once, yeah. He
Oh.
just fell over like that, huh?
Oh, this guy's ammo. And a grenade.
Oh, grenade spawner. Let's
Oh,
go.
why
I hear a
did
piano.
do
You guys hear that piano?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's right here. Wait.
Man.
I don't like
Okay,
that.
mate.
It's just
Oh, I see a light.
What is that?
They strung
Why
up.
is it red? Why is it red?
What do you mean?
Look through that. Look
Oh,
through
what is that? Oh, yeah. That looks like a light. I think it's.
Oh!
What is that? You see that move?
I do not like. Oh! Stun gun! Stun gun up here!
Hey!
Oh my god. Oh, the
Alright.
sound.
Alright, boys. That
Alright, wait. Let me just craft a few mollies. Let me craft a few mollies.
Yeah, me too, dude. No.
I don't know. I don't think that makes you faster. I like to be above water, dude.
Oh yeah,
That's it.
let's go.
Boys.
Why is it so slow? Alright, we go at like a steady pace. Did sharks really live this close to shore?
Medium
Well,
Been reef
that
sharks,
thing's
dude.
not really sure.
Yeah, but I don't see any. I don't know if there's. Yeah. I did.
Don't look. Don't look. Looking is the worst thing you can do. Get me on this thing. How do I get on?
my
How
God.
do I get on?
How do I get on? I can't get on! I can't get on! Man! No,
Oh
stay!
my god, it's this side. It's this side. Oh,
This
get
side.
me on!
Oh my god!
It's literally the ecological dead zone from Subnautica, dude. If you go down there, it's literally just black.
The gun. The
Oh,
gun.
there's a gun.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, dude, I got on.
Oh yeah.
We got GPS
Yeah, me,
locator.
mother.
Shit,
Oh, there's a ripple in the. Oh
my
god. Oh my god.
How will this affect LeBron's legacy?
There's so many of them. There's so many of them. Dude.
Hey, is there anything else other than the gun to get me?
Oh, I killed him.
There's so many.
Bro, I killed him.
Hit him once, dude.
Yeah, I hit him once and he started to sink. What?
How do I restart?
Like, I'm underwater.
Wait, who just stole my air canister? Oh, it doesn't split, thank God. I hear humming?
Oh, it's water.
Oh, f you, Michael.
Hey, that's all up.
Oh god! Oh my god!
Holy shit, what is this?
Oh,
my-
shit,
Temple run gun. Oh my god!
God.
Give me out, give me
Shit, dude.
Give me out!
Oh, I f***ing hate it. Oh, dude, that literally just sent shivers down my spine, dude.
What's it?
Oh god.
Oh, he's gone, dude. Oh, oh my god, there's more.
Oh my god, there's like three more.
Alright,
Holy
back
dude.
up, back up, back up,
Oh,
back up, back up.
Back up, Mike!
Yeah, they can't get through this.
I get
They
through?
can't get through this.
Alright,
Yeah.
let me just
Right.
incinerate them real quick.
Yeah, wait.
Took a molly.
Right. All of you, go to hell. Ah,
Nice.
Monkey.
Yeah. Fun. So,
Oh my god!
Look at him burn, look at him, he's like looking at his body.
Oh, my game just crashed.
What a moron.
No.
Finally, we can walk. Oh, this guy has something. You can tell by the fact that the light is
Yeah.
shining on him. Oh yeah, what's that in his hands? The
Oh,
shovel. Wow. Oh, the music. Oh, James, you missed the epic moment.
Oh man.
Wow, the music, dude. What is that game?
What
Oh
is
my
this?
god, it's so good.
you wanna check?
Wait, no, we can't walk past this.
Oh no, yeah.
We can't.